Hi, welcome to TransferWise, the all-new way to send money abroad. Making a transfer is easy. Here's how it works. Just enter the amount you want to send and the currency you're sending from and to. Enter your email and create a password, or sign in using Google. The total fee for the transaction is shown on the right-hand side, along with the real mid-market exchange rate. Next, enter your personal details. Then, enter the name of the person you're sending money to. Either choose to send money via email or to their bank account. If you choose via email, just enter their email address and a reference. Or to send to their bank account, enter their bank details and a reference. You can upload money to TransferWise either by a local bank transfer or, if available, debit card. If you're sending by card, just enter your card details. Or click the Bank Transfer tab for details on how to make a local bank transfer to TransferWise. Now, log on to your online bank and make a payment to TransferWise using the information displayed on the previous screen. Make sure to enter your reference number when making the transfer. Click I've made the transfer after you've finished. That's all you need to do. TransferWise will do the rest. The money is estimated to arrive by the date and time as shown on the screen. You'll be notified via email every step of the way and can log into your account at any time, so you always know where your money is. Congratulations! You've just completed a transfer with TransferWise. Your days of hidden bank fees are over.